Hey everyone, today we are talking about lesson 107, which is adding and subtracting fractions with common denominators. Denominators means these fractions that you're going to be adding and subtracting have the same number at the bottom of the fraction as their denominators. So at the top of page 676, we have this illustration to show that just like how 1 apple plus 1 apple equals 2 apples, 1/3 plus 1/3 would equal 2/3. Remember, when we're adding or subtracting fractions, we only add or subtract the numerators, the top numbers. The bottom number stays the same. Notice that this number, the denominator here, does not change. It is still in the thirds, okay? It's still the denominator is still 3. So, for example, if we are going to be doing 3/5 plus 1/5, we just add the numerators, the top numbers. We have 3 plus 1, which is 4. And we do not add our denominators. The denominator just stays the same. So 3/5 plus 1/5 equals 4/5. Now let's try subtracting. If we have 5/7 minus 2/7, we would only subtract the numerators. 5 minus 2 is 3. I do not subtract the denominators, it stays the same. So my answer would be 3/7. Okay? Now let's add two mixed numbers. When we're adding two mixed numbers, it's always helpful to write the problem vertically. And you start off by adding the fraction. So I'm going to add 3/5 plus 1/5 the same way that I did just a little bit ago. I'm going to do 3 plus 1, add my numerators, and I get 4. I do not add my denominators, it stays 5. And then now I'm going over to my whole numbers, 2 plus 3, which is 5. So 2 and 3/5 plus 3 and 1/5 would be 5 and 4/5. Now let's subtract some mixed numbers. I set it up vertically and I'm going to subtract my fractions first. So I'm going to do 2/3 minus 1/3. Again, I just subtract the numerators. I do not subtract the denominators. So 2 minus 1 is 1. My denominator will stay 3. And now I will move to the whole number. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 5 and 2/3 minus 1 and 1/3 would equal 4 and 1/3. All right, your assignment today is to do lesson practice A through N on page 677. You'll be adding and subtracting fractions with common denominators for all of these problems. And if you have a question, just let me know and I'll help you. Have a great day. Bye.